Looking for a tool that combines advanced thermal imaging with precise electrical measurements? Meet the ZOYI ZT-R01 2-in-1 infrared thermal imaging multimeter, available on AliExpress. This innovative device is perfect for industrial maintenance, electric floor heating checks, and circuit board repairs. The ZT-R01 features a 2.4-inch TFT color screen and a 32 by 32 infrared resolution, delivering clear thermal images with a temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius and accuracy within plus or -2 degrees Celsius. It displays 3 temperature points simultaneously, highest, lowest, and center, so you can monitor variations in real time. As a multimeter, it offers true RMS AC, DC voltage and current measurement, plus resistance and capacitance testing, all shown on a 25,000 count display for high precision. It also supports smart data capture, automatically storing measurements for later analysis. With 4 color palettes, multiple imaging modes, and a built-in 1,500 mAh lithium battery, this tool is both versatile and portable. It charges via Type-C port and includes 8 GB of storage for saving images and exporting data to your computer. Ideal for electricians, HVAC technicians, and industrial professionals, the ZOYI ZT-R01 helps you quickly detect overheating components, leaks, and electrical faults. If you want a reliable, multifunctional diagnostic tool, this is the one to get.